How to check network connection. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to check network connection. Without further ado, let's get started. First, if you are using Wi-Fi, look at the Wi-Fi icon at top of your screen. Make sure it's turned on and you are connected to our network. In case if you are using mobile data, you can easily swipe down to access your quick setting and make sure that your mobile data is enabled. Now you have a signal at top right corner of your SIM card tower. So next step you simply need to use a browser or app. Open any browser or app like YouTube or Google Chrome. Now try visiting any website or playing a video. If the page loads, your connection is working. If not, continue to the next step. Next, you simply need to use built-in network troubleshooter, Android for example. Go to the settings application on your device. Now tap on network and internet option or simply Wi-Fi option. Now you need to select internet and tap on the connected Wi-Fi. You need to look for the status. It should say connected, no internet or limited. Next, if there is still no connection, you can restart your Wi-Fi router, then restart your phone or computer. Sometimes the simple steps fixes most issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.